The World Sight Day 2019 was observed at Hairok High School in Thoubal district today. National Program for Control of Blindness Thoubal organized the program under the aegis of District Health Society Thoubal and Lions Club Kakching Greta on the theme Vision First. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur Samjet Sabam Mangoljao has inaugurated an Kambut studio at Thoubal Khetri Laikai today. The studio provides various facilities such as cinematography, photography, editing, film equipment and recording facilities. Former Union Minister Thaunauzam Saubasing today said farmers have a big role to play in the development of the state economy. Chauba, who is the chairman of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Bishnupur, was participating in an input distribution function for farmers at the whole of KVK Bishnupur. Lamsang MLA and Manipur Planning Board Deputy Chairman S. Rajan today stressed on the importance of upkeeping of the culture and tradition of Manipur. He was participating in the 9th Foundation Day celebration of Thangmaiban United Art and Culture Organization, Thangmaiban. 6-time world champion MC Mary Kom on Thursday assured herself of an unprecedented 8th medal at the World Women's Boxing Championship after advancing to 51 kg semi-finals of the event at Ulan-Ude in Russia. The 28th World Mental Health Day on the theme Mental Health Promotion and Suicide Prevention was held at Janims Auditorium, Porompat under Imphal East today. Organized by National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch. The Jammu and Kashmir administration has reopened its doors to tourists from today, more than 2 months after asking tourists and Amarnath pilgrims to leave the state. A one-day free health camp in connection with the 5th Foundation Day of Human Rights Defender Manipur HRDM was held at Old Age Home Mongsangai, Imphal West today. Chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission Khaidem Mani attended the function. Troops of Assam Rifles seized a huge quantity of contraband drugs worth rupees 1.41 crore in Manipur's Ukhrul district yesterday. Based on intelligence inputs regarding transportation of contraband drugs, the troops of Assam Rifles intercepted and apprehended a suspect near Aishi village in Ukhrul district.